Hello, grade 4. Today, let's start chapter number 7, concept 1. In this concept, we will talk about multiplication, and we have a lot of strategies to solve the multiplication. The first strategy, the area model. We will use the area model when we find the answer of the question has 2 digit times 1 digit or 2 digit times 2 digit. So here, the first question, use a quick draw to solve each of the problems that follow. So the area model, first we need to draw the rectangle to solve. And after that, when I have area model 2 digit number times 1 digit number. So let's break up the 2 digit number to the value of each digit, like 1 under tens it will be 10, and 7 under ones it will be 7 only. So I'm gonna put 10 here and 7 here, and split the rectangle two places, and put the 4 here. So let's find times. So the first 4 will check hands with 10. So 4 times 10, it's equal 40. And 7 will check, and 4 check hands with 7. 7 and 4 times 7 equals 28. And finally we get the total answer for the both shapes, 40 plus 28. 0 plus 8 equals 8, 4 plus 2 equals 6. So 17 times 4 equals 68. Let's move to the next question, B. 21 times 3. Use the area model. First, I'm gonna draw the rectangle. Second, I'm gonna split the number to 2 digit number. The 2 digit number, I'm gonna split it. 21. So it's a 20 plus a 1. Put the 20 here and 1 here. And split the rectangle. And the 1 digit, we're gonna put it here. And after that, the 3 will check hands with the 20 and with it 1. So 3 times 20, first one, equals, when I have 0 on the right, cross it and put it. 3 times 2 equals 6. And after that, 3 times 1. So 1 is matter, equals 3. At the end, we will add 60 plus 3 equals 63. It's like the odd shapes. Let's move to question letter C. 14 times 5. First, we need to draw the rectangle and split the 2 digit number to 10 and 4. Put a 10 here and a 4. And after that, the 1 digit, we're gonna put it in the another side and split the rectangle to 2 places. After that, check hands. 5 will check hands with 10. 5 times 10 equals 50. And 4 times 5 equals 20. And after that, the total answer, we add 50 plus 20. 50 plus 20 equals 70. Here we have, if I have 2 digit number times 2 digit number, and we need to use area model also. So first, I'm gonna draw the rectangle, but this time I'm gonna split the number, the both number, because I have 2 digit. Here I'm gonna split the 81 to 80 and 1. And 3 we're gonna split it to 20 and 3. To start, we're gonna split the rectangle now. It's to 4 places because we have 4 numbers. And after that, put 81 here or here, any place you want. So 80 and 1. And 23 put it in another side, 20 and 3. And after that, let's start with the 80. 80 will check hands with the 20 and the 3. Okay, so first 80 times 20. So when I have zeros on the right, so cancel it and put it. 8 times 2 equals 16. And after that, 80 with a 3. When I have 0 on the right, so cross it and put it. 8 times 3 equals 24. After that, when I have finished L80, so start with L1. 1 times 20 equals 20. It's matter. And 1 times 3 equals 3. At the end, we will add the four numbers together. 1600 plus 240 plus 20 plus 3. Okay, 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 3 equals 3. 0 plus 4 plus 2 equals 6. 6 plus 2 equals 8. And drop it 1 and don't forget to put the comma. So the answer, the final answer is 1863. Let's move to the next question. 45 times 28. First, we will draw the rectangle. And after that, split the number. We have two number has two digits. 45, we will split it to 40 and 5. And 28 will split it to 20 and 8. And after that, the rectangle broke it to 4 places because we have 4 and 5 in this side, and in another side you can put 20 and 8. After that, you can find the multiplication of each number. So 40 will check hand with 20 and with 8. So 40 times 20. When I have zeros on the right, cancel it and put it. 1, 2. And 4 times 2 equals 8. After that, 40 with 8. When I have 0, cross it and put it. 4 times 8 equals 32. Let's move to number 5. 5 times 20. Cross 0 because we have 0 on the right. And 2 times 5 equals 10. After that, 5 times 8 equals 40. And at the end, we will add the four numbers together. 800 plus 320 plus 100 plus 40. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 0. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 and 1, 12. So the final answer, 1260. To can add the 4 or 3 numbers together, you can split the places like that at the first. Before you start, okay? Okay. Let's start with the second strategy we have, distributive property. But in this strategy, we will use the distributive property at 2 digit times 1 digit only. Let's start with question number A here. Okay, question letter A. 8 times 35. So in this question, we need to split the 2 digit to 30 and 5. So number 8 will distribute to 30 and 5 together. So we will open a bracket, 80 times 30 first, close the bracket, plus 80 plus 5, because the 35 is 30 plus the 5. So 8 will shake hands with the 30, and after that 8 will shake hands with the 5. So we will get the answer of each bracket down. Cross 0 and put it. 8 times 3 equals 24, plus 8 times 5 equals 40. So 0 plus 0 equals 0. 4 plus 4 equals 8, and drop it 2. This is the final answer. Okay, question number B. Letter B. Question letter B. We have 7 times 68. 7 times 68. So we have two-digit number. We have to split it to 60 and 8. So 7, open the bracket, 7 times 60 first, and close it, plus 7 times 80. 8. Okay, we took this before at grade 3 when we said two brackets between two brackets plus and inside the times, if you remember. So find the answer of the first bracket. We cross the 0 and put it. 7 times 6 equal 42, and plus 7 times 8 equals 48. And at the end find the answer of the both number. 0 plus 8 equals 8, 2 plus 4 equals 6, and drop a 4. C. 2 times 724. So the number 7 and the number 2 will shake hands with the 7 and 2 and 4. So open the bracket. 2 times the value of 7 is 700. Close it, plus open another bracket. 2 times 2, but it's 20 because the value of a tens is 20, plus 2 times 4 because the 4 under ones and the value of the ones is 4 only. So find the answer of the first bracket. When I have zeros, cross it and put it. 2 times 7 equals 14, plus drop the 0. 2 times 2 equals 4, and the last bracket, 2 times 4 equals 8. At the end, find the answer of the 0 plus 0 plus 8 equals 8. 0 plus 4 equals 4, and 4 plus nothing equals 4, and 1 plus nothing equals 1. You can make it product. The partial product is like area model and distributive property. It stands on the place value and the value of each number. So like here, question letter A, 29 times 4. So we will write 29 times 4. And after that, don't forget to write above each number the place value, ones and tens. And after that, if I have tens, we have to cross it at the first and write 20 because the value of a tens is 20 and the value of a ones without any zero. And at the end, so number 4 will shake hands with each number, like 4 times 9 first, and after that 4 times 20, not 2, because the partial product, we need the value of each digit here. So this is 20 and 9 is 9 only. And at the end we find the answer of each bracket beside it. Okay, so 4 times 9 equals 36, plus drop is 0. 4 times 2 equals 80, and find the final answer. 6 plus 0 equals 6. 3 plus 8 equals 11. So the answer is 116. Let's move to another question, letter B. 5 times 343. So first we write the 443 up because it's more digit times the 5. And before we start, we write the place value of each digit above the numbers, ones and tens and hundred. And after that, if I have here, write the value of each digit up. 3 is 3 only because this is under ones, and the tens is 40, not 4, and 100, 300. So don't forget. And after that, number 5 will shake hands with each number. The first is with 3, 5 times 3. And second, 5 with a 40, 5 times 40. And after that, 5 with the 300. So after that, find the answer of each bracket beside it. 3 times 5 equals 15, plus 5 times 40, we drop a 0, and 5 times 4 equals 20, plus drop it 2 zeros because we have 300, we drop it 2 zeros, and 5 times 3 equals 15. We have to put each digits above each other, like ones together, tens together, hundreds together. Okay, let's start add from the ones. 5 plus 0 plus 0 equals 5. 1 plus 0 plus 0 equals 1. 2 plus 5 equals 7. And 1 plus nothing equals 1. So the answer is 1715. This is by 2 digit times 1 digit. But if I have 2 digit times 2 digit, how we can solve it? Okay, the same idea. So here we have 38 times 75. So we're gonna write 38 times 75. Before we start, we write ones and tens above each place. Ones and tens, and here also ones and tens because we have 2 digits. And before we start, we cancel the numbers and write if the value of each digit. 8 is 8 only, but 3 will be 30, and here 5 is 5 only, and 7 will be 70. And after that, let's start the multiplication. First, start with 5. Okay, first we gonna start with 5. Okay, 5 times 8 first is like the last question, and 5 times 30. Okay, we have finished 5, so cross 5, and after that move to the next place. Okay, now it's 70, not 7, because the 7 under tens. So 70 times 8, and 70 times 30, not 3. Okay, and finally find the answer of each bracket beside it. Okay, we can make as places like that to write the number above each other. Okay, let's start. 5 times 8 equals 40, so put 0 and 4. Here 5 times 30, cross the 0 and put it. 5 times 3 equals 15. Here the third bracket, 70 times 8, we cross the 0 and put it. 7 times 8 equals 56. And 70 times 30, we drop it 2 zeros, 1, 2. And 7 times 3 equals 21. And at the end, add them together to find the final answer. 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 0. 4 plus 5 equals 9. 9 plus 6 equals 15. 5 and carry up 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 2 plus nothing. So we have finished. So the answer is 2850. Let's move to another question. We have here 44 times 33. First, we write 44 times 39. So, before we start, we write ones and tens above each place. Here ones and here tens. Ones and tens. And after that, write the value of each number. Ones, it's 4, still 4, and the tens, it will be 40. And the 9 is still 9 because it's ones, and the 3 will be 30 because this is tens. And let's start with a 9. 9 will shake hands with each number up. First, 9 times 4. And after that, 9 times 40 because it's under tens. And we have finished once. Start with the 30. 30 times 4. And after that, 30 times 40. And at the end, find the answer of each bracket beside it. Let's start to put the places like that. Put the places, 1, 2, any number of places. Okay. And find the answer of each bracket beside it. Okay. Let's start. 9 times 3 equals 36. The second bracket, we cross the 0 and put it. 9 times 4 equals 36. Third bracket, 30 times 4, cross the 0 and put it. 3 times 4 equals 12. The third bracket, cross the 2 zeros and put it. 1, 2. 3 times 4 equals 12. And at the end, find the answer of the 4 numbers together. Plus and plus. 6 plus zeros equals 6. 3 plus 6 equals 9. 9 plus 2 equals 11. 1 and carry up 1 here. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 4, 1, 5. 5 for 2, 7. And drop 1. So the final answer 1760. Let's move to the fourth strategy is the standard algorithm. This is the final strategy we have. The first question, 1 digit times 2 digit. 30 times 7. So 7 will shake hands with each number here, and the standard form it's called by carrying. We can use the carry up. Okay, so here 7 times 0 equals 0, and 7 times 3 equals 21. So the answer is 210. The second question we have is letter B, 27 times 3. Let's start. 3 times 7, always we start from ones. 3 times 7 equals 21. We gonna put 1 and carry up 2 here. 3 times 2 equals 6, and we have extra 2 up, so it's equals 8. So the answer is 81. Letter C, 800 times 4. So let's start from ones. So the standard form always we start from ones, but the partial or area model or distributive you can start from any place, but the standard must start with the ones. So 0, 4 times 0 equals 0, 4 times 0 equals 0, 4 times 8 equals 32. Letter D, 630 times 5. Let's start. 5 times 0 equals 0. 5 times 3 equals 15. 5 and carry up 1, because this is not the last digit. 5 times 6 equals 30 plus 1 equals 31. And don't forget to put the comma. This is when I have 2 digit times 1 digit. But if I have 2 digit times 2 digit, how we can solve it? Let's start. Letter A. 52 times 36. First start from ones. Okay. 6 times 2 equals 12. So put 2 and carry up 1. 6 times 5 equals 30. And we have extra 1 here, equal 31. Okay. Let's move to the next digit, number 3. But cross this. 3 will check hands with each number up. But before we start, we have to put plus and 0. Why we gonna put a 0? Because 0 is replace the ones place. Okay. So start. 3 times 2 equals 6. And 3 times 5 equals 15. And add them together. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 1 plus 6 is 7. And 3 plus 5 equals 8. And double 1. So the answer is 1872. Let's move to next place. Here, 63, letter B. 63 times 28. Let's start with ones. 8. 8 times 3 equals 24. We don't put the 2 number in one place. We're gonna put only 4 and carry up 2 here. Okay. 8 times 6 equals 48. 48, we have extra 2 up, so equals 50. And after that, move to the next place, is it 2. Before we start, we put plus and 0 to replace the ones place. So let's start with 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. And 2 times 6 equals 12. We're gonna put all 12 because this is the last digit we have. 4 plus 0 equals 4. 0 plus 6 equals 6. 5 plus 2 equals 7. And double 1 here. Let's move to letter C. 46 times 25. Start with the 5 first. 5 times 6 equals 30. We're gonna put 0 and carry up 3. 5 times 4 equals 20. Plus 3 equals 23. After that, move to the next place. So we have to put 0. Cross this. 2 times 6 equals 12. 2 and carry up 1 here. 2 times 4 equals 8. And plus 1 equals 9. And find the finally answer. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 2 plus 9 equals 11. So the answer is 1150. The next, letter D. 39 times 18. Start with the 8. 8 times 9 equals 72. Put 2 and carry up 7. 8 times 3 equals 24. 24 plus 7 equals 31. And cross it. After that, move to the next place, but put 0 first. 1 times 9 equals 9. 1 times 3 equals 3. Find the total answer. 2 times 0 equals 2. 1 plus 9 equals 10. 0 carry up 1 here. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Are you remember the track for table 7 and table 8? Table 7, it's like XO. Start 0, 1, 2, and 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. And after that, the next digit is start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And table 8 is the trick of for table 8. Start from up. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, we double 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And from down, we're gonna write the even numbers. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. And repeat it. 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. And the track for table 9, start from up. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And from down, we're gonna repeat the same number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now you have table 7 and 8 and 9. Okay. In this question, use greater than, less than, or equal. Before we're gonna start, we have to find the answer of each place. So here we have 25 times 45. So you have 4 strategy or 3 strategy you can solve this times. Okay, I'm gonna use the standard form. Okay, let's start with the first 4. 4 times 5 equals 20, 0 and carry up 2. 4 times 2 equals 8, 8 plus 2 equals 10, plus 0. 4 times 5 equals 20, 0 and carry up 2. 4 times 2 equals 8, plus 2 equals 10. And find the final answer. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, and double 1. So the answer is 1100, and here we have 1200. So of course 1200 is bigger. Here, if I have, find the following product. If I have the 2-digit number, but it's multiples of 10, so it means in table 10, how we can solve it? By easy way, like question letter A, 30 times 50. So we have zeros on the right, we have to cross it, 1, 2, and put it on the right. So now we have 3 times 5 equals 15. That's it. Letter B, 50 times 60. So we have 2 number in multiple of 3, so cross it, multiple of 3, multiple of 10, and put it. 5 times 6 equals 30, so 3000. Letter C, 40 times 40. So we have 2 zeros, we have to cross it, 1, 2, and put it on the right. 4 times 4 equals 16. So this is concept 1 at chapter number 7. Thank you grade 4 for watching, and I hope you understand everything.